IQ SensorNet's total suspended solid sensor uses ultrasonic pulses to keep the measurement window free from obstruction. With ultrasonic cleaning, there is no risk of damaging the measuring window like with mechanical wipers. This type of automatic cleaning does not need any replacement parts, nor does it require any regular maintenance. The ultrasonic cleaning function on YSI's TSS sensor helps to extend maintenance periods without any of the risks that mechanical cleaning options have. For more information, please visit ysi.com/IQSN.